Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will describe how to use the history key and the redial key within the All Mode Voice hosted phone service. This lesson will also describe the use of soft keys and the multi-directional arrow keys. If you are not familiar with these keys, or need to review, please watch the phone and button layout video. The link is in the description. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to view our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful, or have other suggestions for training videos. When the phone is idle, there are several commands listed above the soft keys. History is above the first button, and redial is above the third. The handset button next to the speaker button is called the send key, or the history hard key. Either this key, or the soft key, can be pressed to access call history. The history key shows a detailed account of all calls received or dialed from the phone. Missed calls will display a small badge with a number by the soft key to indicate how many missed calls have occurred since the last time the history list was checked. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. Press the history soft key, or hard key, to access the call history pages. The first screen shows all calls that have been made or received from that particular telephone. The up and down directional keys can be used to scroll through the list. A call with a red handset and an X means a missed call. A call showing a handset with an arrow pointing away means a dialed call. A received call will display a handset with an arrow pointing toward it. A call that shows two handsets next to each other is a transferred call. The call history pages will also present commands above the lower soft keys in the display. The house icon is the home key and will take the user back to the home screen of the phone. Next is the dial key. This allows the user to call the number that is highlighted in the display. The delete key erases the highlighted call from the history list. Delete all removes all of the call records for that particular page of call history. The right and left directional keys allow the user to scroll between the types of calls stored in the call history. There are 5 pages to choose from: all calls, missed calls, dialed calls, answered calls, and transferred calls. The bottom Softkey commands that were previously explained also work on all 5 pages. Pressing the Enter key in the middle of the directional arrows allows the user to view the date and time of the selected call. The user also has the ability to dial the caller or edit information about the caller. The back key returns the user to the previous screen. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. The other command to be discussed appears above the third soft key on the home screen. This is the redial key. The redial key is a quick way to dial the last call from the outbound call history. It can be a call that was made to another extension, or a call that was made to an outside party. To call the last number dialed from your phone, press the redial soft key in the display. Once another outgoing call is made, it becomes the only call eligible for the redial command. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.